is here at sa mainit po na pagtanggap niyo po sa Sweet Notes Music. Ready na po ba kayo? Ready na ba ang lahat mag-enjoy kayo naman? Para po yun na yung energy. Gusto ko pong marinig yung energy ng Toronto kasi kayo po yung pinakamalaking venue po talaga. Just a small town girl. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Eyes, just to see her. For the reasons I'm wrong. You took the midnight train going anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, it's maybe time. Reach out. I see the wheels on the wheel. I smell my cheek on you. For a smile they can share the night. People's all in all. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Shadows searching the night. Streetlights, people waiting just to find emotion hiding somewhere tonight. Working hard to get my feet. Everybody wants to freedom. Paying anything to run the night. Just one more time. Some win, some will lose. Some just sing the blues. What a crazy goes on and on. So you got to survive. Strangers waiting up and down boulevard. Shadows searching the night. Street lights, people waiting just to find emotion hiding somewhere in tonight.
Kumusta po kayo lahat dyan sa taas? Ayos na ba tayo dyan sa likod? Taas kamay!
Siyempre yung mga VIP natin dito sa harap, kumusta kayo? Thank you so much. mga single. Isa na para po sa inyo lahat. This next song, hope you like this.
Para sa lahat ng mga ilang dito ba eh. Here we are again. I guess it must be we're trying out the road, but deep inside we know we began to set this straight. I still remember your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step of every dreams, every journey always brings me back to you. After us last night, keep going back to these two hearts, too late to be rescued from the floor. And after all we've been through, it all comes down to you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, when love is truly right, this time is truly right. It leaves for me to it changes as it goes, on and on the way it grows, but it never disappears. One time to say, after all the stars and stars, we keep going back to these two hearts, too late to soon be rescued from the floor. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, oh, it's just beyond my touch. No one needed you so much. After all else is leaving, oh, tonight. Oh, after all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, too late to soon be rescued from the fall. After all that we've been through, it all comes down to me. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. Sana kumustahin ko muna yung nandito sa gilid. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Ayos na ba kayo dyan? Narinig ba kami dyan? Lalo na yung nasa taas, ha? Alright, this time, alam ko maraming mga couples ngayong gabi. Sino mga couples tonight? Yung mga single naman. Sige, bibigyan namin kayo ng pagkakataon mamaya, lalo na yung mga single. This time, sa mga couples natin ngayong gabi, isa lang po yung advice namin, be faithful. At dahil dyan, para po sa inyo yung kantang to, kung bilang this one. Excited na kayo kay DJ. Alright, next song namin para sa inyo mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music dito ngayon ba? Nakaka-relate ba tayo ng mga old songs? Para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa love songs. Para sa inyo lahat. Para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music. Gusto niyo ba OPM? till this moment. I've never seen nothing great. I've never felt crazy like this before. Take my love, you should take my love. It's the picture of clouds and sunset. It's the freedom of a thousand doves. Baby, you should make my love. Since you came into my life, it's the form of fate black and white. Since you came into my life, hello po dito sa gilid. Everything's changed. Gusto ko bumaba. Taas ka ba? Sa likod, come on. Milky Way. See you just It's the moon. He came by, saying goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for mine, praying for the world, for the people everywhere. There's a mom. Oh, my sweet child, the world's so wild that you build your own paradise. There's one reason why. You're you sleeping child. My sleeping child. If you're away from the world so wild, you're away from the world, away from the world so wild. Oh, sleeping
This time, kailangan po namin ng audience participation. Pero yun nga lang, hindi po lahat makakasali. Kasi po kailangan po namin yung may mga partners ngayong gabi. Yung
Sharon! Sharon!
yung mga may partner, mag-asawa, mag-jowa, mag-galit to know each other. Kung proud ka po sa partner mo, sayahin po siya. Kung sino mo yung gusto sumayo na po sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas. if I ever fall in love again. There you go. Thank you so much for sobrang dami nila, hindi ko alam sa inyo pinakaswerte.
Dami nila.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa Maraming salamat po. I hope to receive and just enjoy the rest of the songs na yung aking po natin sa inyo. But once again, sino ba ba ang mahilig dito sa OPM? Original Pinoy Music. Ayan rin naman kanina, nalilibig kita eh. This time, mga talaga simpan mo sila lahat. Para sa mga mahilig sa Tagalog, OPM, sarili natin. Mabilang mo. Come on! Makakaya ba ang mawawala ka sa aking piling? Ano ba? Katiyak ako ay di ko na kayang isipin.
Malalambing pag walang ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di mababalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuluyan ng wala na pang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati. Walang hanggan, paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan?
Makakaya ba ang tuluyan ika'y wala na? Hindi mo makikita. Paano ang
Gabi
kapag ika'y naaalala? Saan ako pupunta?
pag walang ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan,
Ang tuluyan ng
wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati. Walang hanggan, paano kaya
ang bawat nagdaan. Wala nang
pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati. Walang hanggan, paano kaya
wala nang pag-ibig sa puso mo. At di mo na
kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati.
walang hanggan. Paano kaya?
Ang bawat nagdaan. Hindi ka na naka-live mo, tanggalin ko na? Off ko na? Paano ko yung off? Ayan, pwede.
Keep smiling, keep shining. You can always count on me. What's wrong? Tell me, baby, that's what friends are for. But it's my good and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore.
ganda-ganda.
Asa ba tayo dyan sa likod?
Yes!
Mga kaibigan, dapat mamahalan tayo lahat.
Yes! Huwag magsiraan. Yes! Walang siraan!
Palakpakan naman po yung mga sarili natin.
Yes!
Diyan na po ang lahat. Thank you so much. Bago natin ibigay yung ating next song, marami po tayong gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi nito. Ayan. Kung pwede po sana pag tinawag ko po yung mga pangalan ng ating mga sponsors, pwede mo natin palakpakan. Ayan. First, please bear with me dahil marami to. Isa-isahin ko natin
Saviors,
sila.
tumakbo.
Tara. Of course, ang ating concert producers, yung mga producers natin ngayong gabi nito, no other than YY Entertainment, sila po yung nagdala sa atin dito sa
Woo!
11 shows. Maraming salamat, Miss Joey Pasillo, YY Entertainment. Thank you so much, On-State Promotions by Kuya Edgar. Maraming salamat also. Triple A
Gugundok.
Entertainment. Yes. JE Entertainment and Marky U Productions. Palakpakan naman po
Yes!
natin. There you go. Maraming salamat. And of course, ang ating mga platinum sponsors, kaway-kaway naman kung tatawagin po namin
Yes!
kayo. Minsiville, maraming salamat.
Uy! Tita Mitzi!
Minsiville, maraming salamat po. Tropang Ilonggo.
Yes!
Yeah, thank you so much. Bistro Manila.
Yes! Again!
Maraming salamat. Wisdom Grill House.
Yes!
Thank you so much. Over here. Salamat. CRD College of Healthcare.
Yes!
There you go. Thank you so much ang ating mga platinum sponsors. And our gold sponsors. Isa lang pala siya. Next Gen Empire, maraming salamat po. Panandito ka. Thank you so much. Our silver sponsors, AJ Wellness Spa and Massage Clinic by Andrea Mangig. Thank you. Academy of Learning by Paterno Surigao, Jonalie Cipriano, and Marie Reyes. Thank you. Also to Ron Rose Printing. Thank you so much. Imagine It Custom 3D Displays. Thank you. And our food sponsors, Wilson Lechon and Curbs Kitchenette. Thank you guys.
Yes!
Maraming salamat. Kasama po ba yung salita? Medyo marami mo, please bear with me. Of course, Lead Master Chocolate Latier, maraming salamat po. Our dinner sponsors, Genevieve Events. Thank you. Official videographer, Nino Agra Studios, palakpakan mo po natin. Official photographers, sa kanina yung makukuha yung mga pictures ko. So palakpakan po natin. Charms Photography, Rental League Photography, and YKWSI. Tama ko ba yung pagbasa?
Saviors!
Deli Boss.
Wala na yung Savior.
Makeup artist ko boss. And DJ Hair.
Na legend.
Palakpakan po natin by Grace Toledo and Carla Benedicto.
Ah, si
Our
Very
community
Grace.
partners. Genshaw Prince and Designs, Johanna Flowers, Stella Entertainment, 2D Max General Solutions for Education,
Yeah.
Escola, Saviors International,
Yes, Saviors!
Triskelion and Alderson Alumni of Canada. Alright, thank you. Sa mga hindi ko pa po napasalamatan, later on po, babasahin ko po lahat ng mga sponsors
Yes.
namin. Alright, thank you so much. Are you guys okay? Okay pa ba kayo?
Yes!
Here's another song.
At next song namin, gusto ko i-alay yung next song namin para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa Sweet Notes Music. At para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa OPM. Kung hindi
Nag-benta
namin
highlights
supportan
natin.
na guys, wala po kami ngayon sa harapan niyo. So palakpakan po natin yung ating mga sarili. And of course, maraming salamat sa Panginoon sa breakthrough na binigay niyo po sa amin. Kung hindi po dahil talaga sa Panginoon. At sa lahat ng mga...
Ay,
Sino
ang
bang
teacher
mga
ka?
followers dito since day one?
Nakalive ba?
Mga
Ay,
pandemic.
ada pa, ganda ba?
Pandemic batch. May ganun. Pandemic
Napan
batch.
nila kayo mo?
Alright, para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa Sweet Notes, para sa inyo yung next song.
Nakita mo na siya rin, Jin eh. Mabalin ng tatag black ka. Mabalin nag-live eh.
You know the words, pwede tayo sumay.
Ay! Yung mga ex ko, naalala ko.
Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais na naging. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan, kahit man lang sa isang awit. Parang kailan lang, halos
Lipstick lang ang walang gante.
Ang aking diyan, pusa'y nagkalaman.
Nawan connection. Ako naman. Ako di ba may ako ko. Ayan.
Nais ko kayo ang handa.
Well.
Sabay-sabay.
Well. Tanda at lilong. Mabalik. Sige.
Ngunit mayroong awitin, iwanan sa inyo. Minsan tayo'y magkasama. Parang kailan lang ang mga awitin ko ay ayaw.
May sapay.
Dahil sa inyo, narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan.
Okay na?
Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring, mas mahigit pa sa kaibigan. Everybody, Toronto, sabay-sabay!
Matanda at lilipas.
Sin ako, ngunit mayroong awitin, iwanan sa inyo. Alaala, dahil minsan
Another beautiful.
tayo'y magkasama.
Another beautiful.
Lilipas ngunit mayroong
Bawa ka na lang dyan. Si Red, kilala mo si Red yan.
awitin sa inyo.
Alaala.
Dahil minsan tayo'y magkasama.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagtuloy ng pagsuporta niyo sa Sweet House Music. Sana po patuloy niyo pa rin kami sa portahan. Kasi po pinagdadali ng aming mga Thank you guys!
Walang password!
Maraming salamat po.
I don't know, not yet. Tapos na ba?
Before namin mag-proceed
Ganon?
sa aming next song, gusto namin
Meron pa.
Meron po kaming original song na release po namin this year.
Nice! Woo! Oh my God, shout out Priyanka Shakma. Hello, Jun Siyaw.
TikTok,
Hello,
YouTube.
sending
Lahat po ng
love.
social media platforms. Yan, at abangan niyo po kung announcement po namin kung kailan po mag-release. Pero this year po yun, sana po supportahan niyo po yung single original song po ng Sweet House Music. Maraming salamat po. Here's another song for everyone.
Ay.
I like this one.
Ay! Naalala ko yung mga ex ko, ano ba? Siyempre! Yes! Narinig niya! Ay! Naku po! Woo!
Those memories again. And just when I thought times that
Oo nga, bakit mas maganda sa akin?
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
those thoughts of you keep touching me. Oh, baby.
Kita ni.
I'll never out you.
Na-screen record lang to.
Screen
The
save.
ocean every part we has tried. Only you can feel that space inside. So it's no sense pretending my heart is not meant to be said. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stay. the pain. And only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. Miss everything. Everybody sing, come on, sing.
Just when I fall, I was over you. Just when I fall, I can stand by my own. Oh, baby.
Those memories keep rushing through, and I just can't. Gusto ko basta na yun nasa likod. Go on without. It's just no good. Pwede ba natin kumusta yan nasa likod? Gusto ko kayo makita. Excuse me po. Kumusta tayo dito sa likod? Hi guys, kumusta tayo dito sa likod? Hey! We love you mga ka-Sweetos. Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan naman sa Sweetos Music. We love you. Nasa likod, di namin mapuntahan. Go on without you.
Yes! Mamumusta muna tayo bago natin ibigay yung ating
Thank you, guys.
song. Kumusta
We love
po yung
you.
nasa gilid dito? Ayos na po ba kayo dyan? Are
Yes!
you guys enjoying the night?
Yes!
Yeah. Kumusta po yung ating mga VIPs dito sa harap? Hello po. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Are you guys having fun? Do you want more? Alright. Maraming salamat. And of course, shout out po to Marisa Garcia. Hello, Marisa Garcia. Thank you so much. Alright, so we're another song. Do you want more?
Yes! Kasiyahan, tunay na nagmamahalan. Sayaw mo.
Sumunod ka sa akin sumunod ka sa akin
Aking joy ka.
Sumunod ka sa akin sabay ng mamahal tuwing ngayon. Sumunod ka sa akin walang makisama.
Makijoy ka.
Let's work together. Here we go.
Let's go!
Hoorah!
Let's go!
Ito naman. Hoorah! Everybody come on, dance! Hoorah! Sa likod, pwede kayo sumabay dyan! One, two, three, dance! One, baby, round, one, baby. Rock it to mama. Rock, baby, round, rock, baby. Simple na mama. Let's go! Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tita Au, I will call you later, Tita Au.
Ay malalasahan na pagdalawahan, kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay maghigaya. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Walang ibang sasana sa pagtitingin natin. Sana ay di na mabatas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay magawagulhan mo. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang makikinggan. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pagdalawahan, kaya't sa aming awit tayo ay maghigaya.
Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Ayan, sumama sa mga enjoy! Just enjoy the music! Just enjoy the song and keep it dancing! Come on!
I love that! What's up? Years of my life and still I'm trying to wake up, make me feel of home for a destination. I realize quickly when I do I should that the world must play brotherhood of man
Everybody say!
or whatever that means.
Here we go!
And so I wait sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just getting alone what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream on top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey! What's going on? Then I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? So I'm back still and trying to get that great big hero for a destination.
Do you want more?
Yes! Woo!
Let's give it up sa mga dyan ngayong gabi. Nasa gilid guys na kayo dyan. Yes, sumasayaw.
Yes!
Come on, come on. Subang-subang tumalon, sumayaw at mag-enjoy.
Yeah, alam, naglagitan pa kasi.
Makasahan ko rin na kayo dyan. Nakakilibit na kayo dyan. Everybody come on, just
Woo! Woo!
Yeah, better now. Come on. You know the song. Sing with me. Come on.
Woo! Oh, pero talikit ko ang stage!
Nasa likod na sumasayaw dyan.
Yes! Woo!
Somebody's kissing me, somebody's happy, I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can play and they can think they can sing aloud.
Stop!
Just the boy with long
Tilik mo ah!
Who's been a baby and a serial girl? I love a serial Ang remaining songs, basahin ko lang po yung mga remaining sponsors natin, hindi ko nabasa kanina. Of course, thank you so much to GD Max, General Solutions
Nagpapalis na ako na, Ben.
and of course,
Ako din magmaita.
Furnace Audio Visual Service and Events by DJ Jeff, Bizarre Visuals by DJ Joker,
Ang
and thank you to the
gaganda ng
crew
mga dilag dito.
to, oh my God. And thank you to the crew of Take Our Us. Maraming salamat.
Okay, maya-maya na guys. Okay, mamamatay na rin. Okay, bye guys.
GMA Pinoy TV.
Yes!
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. To media partners, LM Confidential, I Love TV, Marky Uniforms,
Wala.
Bakit?
Pero gusto nilang
And once again, maraming salamat to UAP Security, Goldfield Security,